Here we will see how to make your API keys, for instance, for Opencode or Gemini, visible onto other applications on your laptop. So for instance, visible for Zed or visible for Opencode. So for this, I need to open a Bash terminal. In Windows, I just click Git Bash. In Mac, I press Command plus Space, plus I type terminal and then enter. Then here I need to make visible two API keys only. So I have this specific syntax that starts by setx. This is a command to make the variable visible. Opencode API key is the name of the variable. So here it's the name of the API key for Opencode. And this string is the value of the key that you got from the provider website. So here it's from the provider Opencode. So you copy paste this command, you tap enter, and it's okay. Then I have another key to make visible for Gemini. I do the same. So here you replace the Gemini key by your own value. I copy paste. And that's okay. And so you can do this also for other API key. You just need to replace the name of the variable. So to replace Gemini API key, for instance, by OpenAI API key or Anthropic API key if it's for ChatGPT or Claude. And of course, change the value of your API key. An API key of a certain provider won't work for another provider. That's it.